Today is sort of the culmination of putting bikes together, 25 bikes for disabled kids. We've spent months preparing for this moment, and today we're putting them together in final assembly, and then we'll distribute them to the children that they're intended for.
And this will be children that have not been able to ride a bike before. So it's all new bikes, new experience for them. And obviously we have several adaptive devices we make to make it possible for them to ride with their friends and siblings. That's the goal for today, to see the kids and the smiles riding away.
An occupational therapist went ahead and evaluated each child, put a specification sheet that described what that child needed with a bicycle, and then the engineers, the volunteers, are assembling the bikes to those specifications.
They measured them, measured their heads for helmets, asked their favorite color. They asked what their interests were. My daughter wants to be a chef, so she has a little donut bell that she can ring, and it's so cute. And it's customized with all of her favorite things.
Oh, it is so heartwarming. I myself am a blind individual, and I didn't get to ride a bike when I was little. So it's just like, oh my goodness, and getting to see that any type of disability now, you can ride a bike. You can be with your friends. You can ride with your families, and your families will still have that knowledge that you're safe and that the bike is equipped to you and you don't have to worry about it.
We do what we do for these disabled kids so that they can do the things that you and I take for granted.
Bike riding is something that gives everybody, when they're a kid, a lot of independence and freedom, exercise, enjoyment. So being able to open the doors to have that experience for everybody is something that's important.
Kids deserve to have a bike that they can have fun with.
It's important to give back. It's priceless when you see the kids ride away with a bike, so it's something I really enjoyed doing.